Kain tayo. Clam chowder. Lunch time. Liver, liver, broccoli rice, fried chicken, grilled pork, bacon, and chicken. Sarap nito eh. And of course, vegetables. Ayan po ang aking lunch for today, and we literally spent zero. Dalawa po kami ng daddy ko. Ayun, zero. Wala kaming gastos ngayon. Libre po, libre.